Moving on, researchers from the University of Texas and Stanford University have traced mysterious GPS interference across Europe to a group of Russian satellites, calling it a rare example of human-made GPS disruption originating from space. Now, these findings raise questions about whether such systems could one day be used to disrupt navigation services on a much larger scale. The team of researchers analyzed satellite navigation data collected between 2019 and 26 and identified 75 days on which short bursts of interference affected GPS receivers across Europe. Each event lasted less than 10 seconds, but was detected simultaneously from Norway to Spain and Poland. The signals were also observed as far away as Greenland and Canada. Now, the interference affected the main frequency band used by GPS systems, which support navigation services in smartphones, vehicles, and other devices. Researchers found the events occurred most often during European business hours, particularly on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Because the disruption covered such a large area, they concluded the source had to be at least 1,200 kilometers above the Earth. Now, to identify the source, the team analyzed raw radio data captured during an interference event in February this year. By comparing signal timing at stations in the Netherlands and Norway, they traced the source to Cosmos 2546, which is part of Russia's early warning satellite network. Researchers identified 6 satellites in the same constellation as likely sources of the interference. These satellites, remember, are designed to detect ballistic missile launches and operate in orbits that provide extensive coverage of the northern hemisphere. Researchers say that it remains unclear whether the interference was deliberate or accidental, but they warn that it highlights a previously overlooked source of GPS disruption.